Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala home iyodlala against iPolokwane City. Sayazi bafethu iPolokwane City nalast season igame yethu yokuqala kuBetway Premiership we played against iPolokwane City. Amateam akanje akusiwona amateam esingawathatha kancane nje asodlala nje iMTN. Imatch yethu yokuqala kumele senze sure ukuthi siphuma newin la eclean. Asifune nje bhiqiqiqi asifuna ukuya kuma extra time njengale game esayidlana iSuperSport last season ku first round yeMTN. Nayi lineup yami engayibeka mina mase ngithola ithuba nawe ungangitshela eyakho ilineup kuma comments ungayigxeke yami but ungitshele eyakho uthi okay mina ngokwami ngiyakubona ufake ngokwami ngafaka la abadlali ngidlalise kanje Orlando Pirates. First and foremost ngizoqala epalini bafethu goalkeeper of the season Orlando Pirates uSebuchain the guy really improved last season but ke ubenawo ama errors lapho nalapho yabo. I hope uzokwazi ukwafixa lawo ma errors njengoba sekufika ucoach omusha kumele awabheke lawo ma errors akho umjita akwazi ukwalungisa naye yabo lama errors lawa okushawa ama set piece. But for me ngaqalisa uSebuchain wangitshela ama comments would you start ubuthelezi would you start udladla, but for me this is a big game for Orlando Pirates. They must defend this cup, they must win the cup 4 times in a row. Mase kuthi lapha emuva ngaqalisa abadlali abathathu back 3. The reason why ngibaqalisa bathatha hayi ngoba ngithatha kancane iPolokwane City, no angifuni ukuyithatha kancane. Mukhumbula kahle uJose Rivero wadlala ngabadlali abathathu kanje sidlala noPyramids sidlala noMamelodi Sundowns. So nje the reason why ngibaqalisa labajide laba it's because I know ukuthi mase kusale bona emuva noma akuthiwa ama wingbacks eOrlando Pirates ahambile aye phezulu abuyi ngiyabazi labajide bathathu bazozama ukuyivala inkinga, bazozama ukuyivala iPolokwane City because mase siyibheka iPolokwane City kuma wingers abanawo ama wingers deadly. We bought iwinger labo elidedi okubani okuOsuna Police, simthengile Osuna Police usekuthina, so abanawo ama wingers angasinikeza inkinga. So ngaqalisa i3 emuva ngangitshela ama comments mase uthi kuma wingbacks wami ngaqalisa bani ka right ngaqalisa uVan Rooyen. Siyamazi bafethu uVan Rooyen ulo mdlali loyo last season he joined us. Abantu abaningi babe skeptical kakhulu ukuthi ngeke lo mjida ayidlalele kahle Orlando Pirates. Abadlali abasuka le Cape Town abafike bashine le goal, but umjida last season he really proved himself ukuthi uzobulo umdlali Orlando Pirates ezomsebenzisa kakhulu kulama season azayo. Uzokwazi ngempela ukusisiza siwine indondo sangempela, wasebenza komjida. So use-enile iposition yakhe even omunye nabasekho right now wePirates because ubahlalisa ebenchini yabo. Mase kuthi ku left wing back bafethu angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu Deon Hotto bafethu. Deon Hotto this guy if it was for me umjida ngabe ucaptain wePirates right now, but ke nyayazi but ke iwona ka ama defenders ami lawo. Mase ubheke la Deon Hotto beno Van Rooyen labajida la bazokhupha abaye phezulu bawu-add ama numbers phezulu. Makubona ukuthi kunenkinga ekhona i-team le defend bazodropa sibe ne5 at the back, but bona ngibathanda badlale phezulu kakhulu ba-add ama numbers kuma wingers wethu. Ama wingers wethu angazange angena phakathi asize striker yabo. Sisuffocate nje i-defense yePolokwane City. iPolokwane City i-defense yayo kumele isuffocate ngempela because labadlali laba bathathu uSibisi, uMbokazi noXoki ngeke bahlale deep kakhulu, bazophusha baye ngase center half ya iPolokwane City. So iPolokwane City kumele idlale i-defend deep. Yiloko engikushoyo yo based on my lineup yabo. Ungangitshela wena yakho ilineup kuma comments, but mina ngokwami based on my lineup yiloko engikushoyo kumele uVan Rooyen noHotto baphushe baye phezulu. Mase kuthi lama center backs amathathu ePirates akhuphuke nawo ayo add ama numbers. Mase kuthi lapha esiswini bafethu ngizadlalisa abadlali abawu2 abadlala ibhola elicishe lifane, but ke uMbatha akadlali ibhola yabo enalo ushukela, but ibhola lakhe uMbatha asiyona i-central defending midfield. Mhlawumbe umunye angasho ukuthi okay I would put lapha uDlamini yabo, ngamfaka na uDlamini, but ke ngokwami I would put uTalente Mbatha lapha ngimdlalise beno Siphumbule was really good kuma pre-season games. Umjida impela uzosinikeza olukhulu kuOrlando Pirates. So kule game kanje ngiyamdinga umjida, he's creative, he will create chances for ama forwards eOrlando Pirates. So umjida ngiyamnikeza la thuba lokuthi ayiqale igame against iPolokwane City first game eMTN with uTalente Mbatha yabo. Ungangitshela ukuthi ngamqalisa noba uMbule noma waqalisa yipi i-pairing lapha esiswini, but lapha esiswini asidinga abantu aba-defensive kakhulu. Mesidinga umuntu o-defensive uMbokazi uzokwazi ukukhuphuka ayosiza lapha esiswini uma siba nenkinga esiswini yabo. uMbokazi vele nyamaze bafuthu uqinile umjida and futhi uyakwazi ukudlala as a central defensive midfielder. sengambona kakhulu umjida uyakwazi ukukhuphuka owusiza lapha eswini, so ngambeka lapha. Mase kuthi ama-wingers ami ngizodlalisa ama-winger awu-2 right winger bafethu ngingafaka uTshepo Morim. Yes, I know abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi hayi ufaka uTshepo Morim mfana mfethu akekho yini osunapolice bafethu. There's a slight chance ukuthi ngenzeka bekhona yabo. We saw him in the preseason ukuthi umjida wathinteka. I don't think kodwa into ayithinteke into enkulu kakhulu, but asifuni ukurisk umjida sathana kumthenga. Lento ezokwenzakala right now ayikho mnandi, so kungcono siqalise lo mjida lo uTshepo Morim. Maybe osunapolice singambeka ebenchini yabo angene second half uma eseluleme, but for me ngaqalisa uTshepo Morim. Now uTshepo Morim uneyinkinga zakhe yabo. Umjida kumele alwele iJazz kwiPirates because uma eqhubeka engadlali kahle ibhenji lizomudla ayikabi. Meqhubeka nje, I know sathana kufika, I'm not blaming the guy, sathana kufika, but kumele apule up amasokisi kwiPirates. I know kumaZulu ubengalibangina namuntu iJazz kumaZulu yabo, uyena boyi-star samaZulu, but right now udlala kuOrlando Pirates. KuOrlando Pirates iy'tars ziyafika. Uma ungadlali kahle uzohlala kuma-stands, uhlala ebhenchini, so laphana-ke kumele ulwele iJazz bafu yabo. Tshepo Morim so ngamqalisa mase uthi ka left wing. I don't want to talk a lot about the left wing bafethu, nyamaza umfana omncane yabo. It's a pity ukuthi it is rumored ukuthi ngenzeka shiye naye semizwe umhawunkota, but ke lapha ka left wing ngamqalisa bafethu Mofokeng yabo. I'll start Mofokeng, which is a good thing for Orlando Pirates because we need a star player like Mofokeng right now yabo to start the season strong. Maybe ke sebe ngamthenga ke in after 3 or 4 games between Premiership, but ke we need our star player to start ama-games Orlando Pirates. So ngamqalisa lapho Mofokeng, mhlawumbe umunye angangitshela ukuthi angaqalisa but ke so far iyona lineup yami le. Emuva nginobani noSipho Chain, i-back 3 yami uXoki, uMbokazi, uSibisi, mase kuthi uVan Rooyen as a right wing back, Deon Hotso as a left wing back, eswini kudlala uMbatha, kube noSipho Mbuli. Mase kuthi ka right winger ngifaka uTshepo Morim, mase kuthi ka left winger ngifake umjida lo Mofokeng. So lapha ka right winger it's a problem because there are many players yabo bengachoose kubona. Ukhona uSibelebele, but ke I haven't seen uSibelebele training with the team. I haven't seen him playing any preseason games, so I was going to choose uSibelebele, but ke I saw ukuthi yabo it's a difficult situation. Players need to fight for each. Pirate right now unama players amaningi adlala kamnandi, so these players need to fight for their position kwi-Chase le Orlando Pirates. Mase kuthi lapha up front abantu abaningi mhlawumbe bazongiphikisa la, mhlawumbe abantu abaningi bazolisana nami, but ke up front ngingadlalisa bani? Ngingadlalisa lo mjida lo bafethu Retyobhane, Boitumelo Retyobhane. He's the only striker that impressed me kule ma preseason games. Umjida really impressed me my preseason games bafethu. So isona striker mina ngokwami engasiqalisa for Orlando Pirates kule game ebezidlala neBulwane City. Umjida mala awathola ama minutes kule season ezoqala. Uyi-striker sangempela, kuyikona ukuthi uhlushwa ama-injury. Kumele nje uvalo athi ukulehlisa kancane uzokwazi ukwawina ama-games for Orlando Pirates. Uzokwazi ukuthola ama-goals amnandi for Orlando Pirates. Maybe uTseho Faso Mabasa my starts siyamazi kuMabasa bafethu. Umjida nje angazi akho nje abaningi bavele bamthanda befika emathimini, but ke mjida ngamqalisa mina uRetyobhane. Sona scheme sami lesengasetha mase ngithola ithuba. Ungangitshela ama-comments isipho wena ischeme sakho ongasetha. Isiphi ischeme sakho ongasetha for Orlando Pirates kule game esoyidlala. It's 3-4-3 nje bafethu, iyona nje igame le. Mhlambe khona la ngilekha khona ungangitshela ukuthi hayi Van scheme sakho silekha la nala, silekha la nala.